In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make a triangle in Adobe Illustrator. If you're new to Illustrator, creating basic shapes is one of the first skills you'll want to learn because almost every design starts with simple geometry. The good news is that making a perfect triangle in Illustrator is extremely quick once you know where the correct tool is located. In the next few minutes, I'll walk you through the exact steps from finding the right tool, creating the triangle, and adjusting it if needed so you can use it in logos, icons, illustrations, and many other design projects. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Adobe Illustrator tutorials, just like this. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document or open any existing file where you want to add your triangle. Once your artboard is visible, look over to the toolbar on the left side of the screen. This is where Illustrator keeps all the main drawing tools. What we're looking for is called the Polygon Tool, but it's actually hidden under another shape tool by default. Find the Rectangle tool in the toolbar. It usually appears as a small square icon. Now click and hold your mouse button on that Rectangle tool for a second. When you do this, a small flyout menu will appear showing several other shape tools that are grouped together. In this list, you'll see options like Rounded Rectangle tool, Ellipse tool, Star tool, and the one we want, the Polygon tool. Go ahead and click on Polygon tool to select it. Now that the Polygon tool is active, we're going to create a triangle by defining the number of sides. Instead of dragging immediately, the easiest method is to simply click once anywhere on your artboard. When you click once, Illustrator will open a small settings window called the Polygon dialog box. This dialog lets you control two main things, the radius of the shape and the number of sides. The radius controls the overall size of the polygon, while the side setting determines what kind of shape you're creating. Since a triangle has 3 sides, go to the field labeled Sides and change the value to 3. You can leave the radius at whatever default value Illustrator provides, or you can increase it if you want a larger triangle right away. Don't worry too much about the exact size because you can always scale the triangle later using the Selection tool. The most important setting here is making sure the sides value is set to 3. Once the sides value is set to 3, simply click OK. Immediately, Illustrator will generate a perfectly symmetrical triangle on your artboard. At this point, you've successfully created a triangle using the Polygon tool. If you want to resize it, select the triangle using the Selection tool, then drag one of the corner handles while holding Shift to keep the proportions consistent. You can also rotate the triangle by moving your cursor slightly outside one of the corners until you see the rotation icon, then click and drag to spin the shape in any direction. Another useful tip is that you can quickly change the color of your triangle using the Fill and Stroke options. Select the triangle, then look at the color controls in the toolbar or the Properties panel. Change the fill color to any color you want and adjust the stroke if you want an outline around the triangle. This is especially helpful if you're creating icons, arrows, play buttons, or geometric patterns inside Illustrator. So just to quickly recap the process, select the Polygon tool from under the Rectangle tool, click once on the artboard to open the polygon settings, set the number of sides to 3, and press OK. Illustrator will instantly create a triangle that you can resize, rotate, and style however you like. And that's all there is to it. That's the fastest and easiest way to make a triangle in Adobe Illustrator. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Illustrator tutorials that help you design faster. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.